On my 13th birthday, instead of receiving gifts, I handed out these handwritten notes thanking my friends for being in my life. That moment of giving thanks created this incredibly warm, uplifting feeling. I wanted to create a consistent habit of that, but struggled to find the right system. I tried using everything: Notion databases, reminders, to do lists, notebooks, the Notes app, but nothing quite fit. My gratitude moments came as these random sparks, a memory flash, or a feeling that resurfaces. And that is that instant that I wanted to capture and share. So I built something specifically for my brain's way of working. As soon as you open the app, it asks for the name of the person you're writing it to, and then you type your message. While the content of the note is important, I wanted to make sure the receiver felt a sense of excitement while opening it. The written text transforms into a scratch note to reveal the message. It's then ready to send to the recipient. They'll receive a link to a web app to read their note. Another important feature I wanted to have is no copy pasting, creating this digital sanctuary where every word is unquestionably mine, not pasted from a Gen AI tool. This project wasn't about solving any global problem. It was about creating what Clay Shirky calls situated software, something personable from its inception, designed for a very specific moment and need rather than something for mass adoption. Making this app reminded me that we don't need to wait for others to build the tools we need. We can create them for ourselves, and even without being expert coders. I just listened to my own life, noticed the gap, and built from there. And that to me is what design should be about: creating for those moments and relationships that matter most to us. And sometimes, the most meaningful tools aren't the ones that are used by millions, but the ones that help us stay true to our values. And this app was making sure that I don't lose my values. I'm thinking of this as opportunistic software. Another quote from Clay Shirky is that the idea of software should be built for many users or last for many years. They're all cultural assumptions that are not required by the software itself. And that was liberating to read. This has been my first experiment with opportunistic software, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going.